most talked of Royal Academy exhibit this year is Dame Laura Knight's picture of Ruby Loftus. Sir Charles McLaren, Director General of Ordnance, escorted Dame Laura and Ruby into the Academy to see the picture. Miss Loftus is 21. Before being trained to work in an RO factory, she was a shop assistant. Like thousands of girls, she's shown considerable aptitude for war work. Ruby was one of the first girls to tackle the delicate job of machining the screwing of the Bofors Breech Ring, the most highly skilled job in gun production. Dame Laura has infused an urgency and vitality into this study of woman at work. On canvas is recorded how a typical British girl served her country in wartime, doing a job in the ordinary way done only by men with at least 8 years' experience. Dame Laura Knight has rendered a timely service in making permanent a vivid impression of how the girls of the Second World War toiled to make victory certain.